welcome back to my channel, people. Will's Kitchen Table. Today I'm gonna be making some hardcore Jamaican food. I'm gonna be doing some codfish, salted codfish, and butter beans today. So I got all my stuff here. I'm gonna show you what I'm working with. So take a look, people. This is what we're working with today. And I have some plant in there too, some sweet potato. I got some dasheen, something different going in the pot today, and the baked bean and butter bean and codfish. You guys take a look at these beautiful pieces of codfish I got here. Really nice pieces. They're going right into the pot right now. I already soaked them, washed it. Right into this pot here. Two nice pieces. Wow. Let's cook. Right, people, let's start the dumpling. This is the cornmeal dumpling going on right now. Put some cornmeal dumplings in the pot. Some salt in this. Mix this all up. Yam and dasheen going in the pot right now. Some Yaad man food. Some yellow yam. Yellow yams and dasheen. Some dumplings. Nice cornmeal dumplings, people. This is gonna be so good. Take a look in the pot, people. It's bubbling. Dumplings and yam and sweet potatoes. Some dasheen, green bananas. People, it's gonna be good. so we need no more than 3 pieces maybe. And all the good stuff going inside. So people, my veggies are cut up right here and ready to go in that salted cod. And my butter beans are right there, rinsed, ready for the pot, people. Looking good. Look at the codfish. It's all cooked and ready, people. Get all of that skin off of it. Break it up in little pieces. People, look what's going on in the pot. It's done. All these food, they're cooked. See that? Just want to make you guys get hungry. Okay, people, get all the veggies in the pot here. So the pot look colorful. What you want it to look like. All your carrots and your tomatoes and peppers. Beautiful. Cook this all up. I'm going to add in the butter beans inside. Then the codfish. I like to add some black pepper top of the veggies while it's cooking. And I'm cooking with olive oil, people. Love my olive oil. Time to add in all the butter beans. Look at the pot, people. Lots of veggies inside of it, eh? Got that nice aroma from the Scotch bonnet pepper going on, people. If you smell this, whoa! Tell you, man. Smells good, man. Yaad man style, you know. The Jamaican way. Time for the codfish to go in. Right in the pot. Get some black pepper on that. Wow. People, this is looking good. Mouth watering, eh? So you guys can eat with me. Wish I could share with everyone. Gonna have to eat with your eyes. This is going down with some dumplings and bananas, yellow yam and sweet potatoes. I even got plantain in the pot, people. You guys get your plate and jump in. Wow, this is smelling good, man. Tell you, Yaad man style.